Get your take on the plant or the pea protein in just a moment here. But overall, this is a bit more about the valuation because of how far the stock has run, particularly here in the beginning of the year in the first 2 weeks, than really the fundamentals of the company. But give us your call.
Absolutely. It is all to do with valuation. It's had a great run, particularly over the last few days. And as I started to think about, could I take my target price up yet again, I really think that at this point, the sales outlook for the next couple of years, at least in the US, is priced in. So all eyes are now to what their international expansion could look like.
And so you think it's priced in right now in the United States, and does it have to do with the supply? They just frankly don't have enough of the ingredients that they may need to expand in the way that they need to. Why are we constrained in the United States, in your view, right now?
So it's not really to do with the pea protein. They've got ample supply of pea protein to expand over the next couple of years. Obviously, the Rocket deal expands that even further. I've been looking at their own internal capacity, and it looks as though the extrusion capacity, effectively the pasta-making kind of machines that they use to weave the protein together, that's their real secret sauce. It looks as though they can scale from roughly $280 million in sales this fiscal year up to about $800 to $900 million by fiscal 21. But it's going to be tough to get beyond that. And so the real question is, will they start to put more production capacity over in Europe? Will they put more capacity over in Asia? That could provide some more upside. But as I say, I'm taking a pause for now.
Is the game changer here the possibility that this company's product will be rolled out nationally and maybe internationally by McDonald's? If that happens, would that change your price target in any material way? And if it doesn't happen, is there a substantial downside for the stock?
So we've modeled in the potential for the McDonald's deal in North America to roll through. It's very encouraging that they've expanded the test market up in Canada. Frankly, they've already said that they wouldn't try to do it nationally all in one go. They've said it will even if we do get the contract in North America, we'd probably do it in a scaled way, region by region, so that they can digest it over time. But yes, that potential is in our numbers. We've put a 50% chance that the U.S. contract with McDonald's comes in. Obviously, if it does, that probably would provide some more upside to the stock in terms of sentiment and excitement and the potential sales value. We estimate that McDonald's could add another $170 million or so to sales if it was in the U.S. alone. Obviously, if they don't get the contract or if somebody else steps in, that could provide some sentiment risk. But I think given the demand for the Beyond Meat product with other restaurant chains here in the U.S., also other extra demand in Europe, where I think there will be really strong demand because of concerns about climate change out there, I'm not too worried about the sales trajectory from here.